Scooter, Fink's Fab Shop. So, hostages and hostage-ettes, I got a little unboxing video here. So I went out and got me a tow pig and something to tow behind it. The purchase has been something that's been on my mind, something I wanted to do for a while, but with losing the father-in-law and having an estate and stuff that we have to get cleaned up 3 hours away, it kind of prompted the purchase a little sooner than expected. With that being said, we'll show you what we're unboxing. What we got here is a bulletproof hitch for the tow pig. Show you what it's gonna slide into. We got us a 2016 Cummins 2500. And we got a 21-foot beaver tail car trailer that will be a future project hauler. So right now I'm in a mad dash. We're going out there this weekend in a mad dash to get a basically what they want for a dumpster, guys. It's just absolutely ridiculous. So I'm gonna convert that into kind of like a dump trailer deal, put some sides on it because it's got stake pockets, so we can put some trash in it and not have to worry about blowing out and going down the road, and we can haul some of the garbage away, bring it back home. Reason being is I have a dumpster for the shop, so I can take and get rid of it a little bit at a time every week until it's gone, rather than spending $500-600 on a dumpster and only be able to have it in there or over there for 4 to 5 days, and then they come and take it and dump it whether you're ready or not. And if I want it longer, I have to pay that again. When it's 3 hours away, guys, so I don't have the time or the resources to devote to like a whole single week or two over there to buckle down, go through stuff, sort things out with the wife, of what needs to stay, what needs to go, what needs to be disposed of. So this is just going to be a lot easier. I can haul the trailer over there, I can lock it up, we can use it at our discretion, or I can haul it over there with me every time, and when it's full we can bring it back however she wants to do it. With that being said, reached out to a couple buddies of mine that have 3/4 ton, 1 ton trucks, asked what they were running for hitches, because I want to get something, like I said, that's going to be universal and heavy duty. I don't want to cheap out like I used to on the 1/2 ton trucks I had. So they all recommended bulletproof hitch. So let's see what we get, guys, with a bulletproof hitch. So nicely packed. Did come in a box just like this. Looks like I got a cool sticker I'm putting in the window of a truck or on something. I got a packing checklist, a thank you for your order, customer support, warranty, accessories, all kinds of good stuff there, so that's cool. What it's rated at, so that's nice. These things they're expensive, but they're not stupid expensive compared to like if you order it directly from them online. I think this one was a 22,000 pound hitch, and I got it for $389. I ordered it off their Amazon store. So that's nice. Anti-friction grease it comes with. Some nice heavy duty pins. And then there's the hitch. So 2 5/16 ball, because that's what the new car trailer is, and then also 2-inch, I believe, for most smaller trailers. I figured those are what I'm going to be using the most, so that's what I sure packed this thing in here. Very nice. So that's what yeah, 2-inch, 2 5/16. So basically, and with it being 3/4 ton truck, 2.5-inch receiver. So cool. It's got a really nice coating on it. Heavy duty gusset. Yeah, 22,000 pound hitch, 12,000 pound for 2-inch. I think that's gonna do everything I want it to do. So that's cool. Bulletproof Hitches isn't a sponsor of the channel, but like I said, I just thought I'd do an unboxing video, give them a shout out, because looks like they have a really nice product. And later on down the road, I'll give it a full unbiased review, man. So keep moving forward, guys. You know, I'm hoping to, I'm still playing with this Volvo. The young man needs to come up with some money for a turbo and let me know what he wants to do. So, and I got a couple other little side projects sitting on the yard for extra money, which all that extra money is going right into the project. So have to do it, but I'm hoping in the next couple weeks things will be settled down to where I can actually get out here in the shop a couple nights a week, hopefully, depending on workload and things with the kids and the family, and I can get out here and start hacking and whacking that frame and narrowing that up. So like, share, comment, subscribe. Thanks for being patient, guys. I see a few people bailed on the channel because I haven't been doing much, and I apologize, but those few people that bailed, more come. So thank you, guys, and we're just gonna keep plugging away doing this stuff, and we will get back on this wagon. So I have a goal, which I'll talk about in the next video with it, and also possibly this weekend we're going to make some shorts about another project that I'm really excited about. I'm really excited about it just because it was special to my father-in-law, my mother-in-law, and then also my wife. So that will be something to come in the future. So thanks, guys, and we'll catch you later.